right, so we're Disney tramming it for the first time, leaving Epcot. Lizzie, who you can now see, is nice enough to drive us to Magic Kingdom, so it's gonna be fun.
Good morning, as we are walking through
Good morning.
the Rubik's Cube. Camera lens is a little bit foggy.
My Rubik's Cube.
Step up
We're
in
the
that
kings of
Rubik's
YouTube.
Cube. Yeah.
Actually, not at all. We have like 650 followers, but
Yeah.
we appreciate everyone.
Yeah, we do. Oh, the camera's so foggy. We'll be back in a second. Camera lens here. Hopefully it'll be okay. But that's Florida for you. But oh my goodness. It's just morning. You can tell Run Disney. Run Disney's here. And like there's these big buses and all these signs for Run Disney. And if you look back here, there's like a, oh, you can't see it right now.
No, you keep the shirt.
Oh wait, look. That looks like a dinosaur. Just pointing that out. So we are on our way to Ohana right now through Uber. So Ubering it up right now. We'll catch you there.
All right, so we're at Ohana breakfast here at the Polynesian Resort. Angelina's gonna be getting up, shaking some maracas, walking around dancing with Lilo and Mickey and everyone. I don't know where she is. She's hiding somewhere where I can't see her. But there's Lilo. Ange will be coming around the corner there with Meg in a minute. There she is, over there. Yes. Here we go. Love it. Silly girls. It's Spaceship Earth Sunday here at Epcot. The second to last weekend of the Food and Wine Festival. And we're gonna have something very special here for you today at 5 o'clock, hopefully. Something that we just happened upon by chance when consulting my Food and Wine passport. Seeing the band that's gonna be playing here today, who plays one of my favorite songs of all time, of which we will try to make sure you see some or most of. Maybe with somebody else recording, because I'll be rocking out. So, belly. All right, getting a little closer in line here on this, our Spaceship Earth. Funny thing is, I was just talking to Angelina the other day about possibly getting the tattoo of that mural on my back.
That would be so cool.
I just might do it. It's like 10 drops coming down. Angelina needed her poncho. She's got a poncho. You can't even really see the rain on the ground. Can't even really see it on the camera. But Angelina has a poncho. She doesn't want to get wet. She's getting more wet from that fountain right now in the wind blowing. All right, so it's about 3:30. We're hungry again, so we stopped at one of our favorite Food and Wine spots, Canada, homeland to Meg. And it's where you get the beer Canadian cheese soup with the pretzel bread. So good, so good. Which you can also get at Le Cellier, right there. Go get it, it's good stuff. All right, so we left Canada and now stopped at Brazil for one of my favorites from last year. One of the things that I tried and one that I have not. The little hidden one, which is like a carne something with mashed yucca and then pork belly with some kind of beans or something like that. So we'll see how that tastes. I've heard that's pretty good, so we'll go ahead and eat that. Today at Eat the Beat. Living Color at 5:30, 6:45, and 8 o'clock. I didn't realize there was 3 times, so the festival guide or the passport's kind of wrong. I think it said it was only 5 o'clock, but that's all right. 5:30, 6:45. Hopefully they play like a good jam or two right away, because I don't think we can stay too much past 6. Although I doubt they play much longer than 45 minutes anyway, so. See some roadies up on stage there. Trying to get some stuff ready for the band. Not sure I've ever been this close to the barge for illuminations. The huge contraption and monstrosity that it is here. So big, weighs so much. I guess apparently Lizzie had told us before we got here, I guess it wasn't opening and the fire wasn't working. But when we watched illuminations on Tuesday night when we arrived, it was. So that's good that it's back in working order. As you see the barge, Spaceship Earth and palm trees off in the distance. And test track as well. As we're kind of coming over here to the American Theater and we'll be waiting for Living Color to start soon. So good times.
Welcome one and all to the weirdest show on earth.
How many of you were here yesterday, okay? You know, was here yesterday? Okay, so check this out. We got 3 sets. We don't have much time. So what we're going to do is something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, and cult impersonate.
Right down to earth. You know you got to get up, man. You got to get up right now. I know you're angry.
lover, Corey, lover.
How you going?
Woo!
Thank you all for coming out here and hanging out with us on this lovely fall evening. You know what? Thank you so much. If you want us to sign something or want us to talk to us, we're going to be over here at the side of the stage. We'll sign anything and everything we have. Thank you very much. We'll be back here in about an hour. Thank you.
Let's hear it for Living Color!
Look at Spaceship Earth. Glorious! Alright, so we just got finished up at our reservation at California Grill. I thought it was certainly a very good meal. Fortunately, Angelina wasn't totally feeling well. She just had a little bit of a headache earlier, but possibly from the concert that we were at earlier. Living Color, Cult of Personality. Ah, yeah. So yeah, she wasn't totally enjoying it as much as she normally would, but as somebody who wasn't sick eating the meal, I thought it was very, very good as always. I had the, let's see here, I had the artisanal cheeses. We had some bread. What did you have for wrap?
I had a Caesar salad.
Okay, so she had the Caesar salad.
It was good.
Yeah. We both had the oak-fired filet, cooked medium well with tomato risotto. I thought it was very good, cut into it, you know, not quite on the same level as Yachtsman or anything, which is a steakhouse. This isn't a steakhouse, so I don't expect it to be as good. No. But it was very good, almost kind of melted in your mouth to a degree, so thought that part of it was very good. Then for dessert, I had like the warm chocolate cake, which was almost kind of like a chocolate lava cake. With cappuccino, and it had vanilla.
I don't even know how you can compare the lava cake from Domino's.
I'm not really talking about Domino's. Lava cake is a thing outside of Domino's Pizza.
Ooh.
So yeah,
Fun fact.
Mrs. Marble Cookie Brownie. It's not the same thing. So anyway, it was very, very good. The cappuccino was good. The vanilla bean ice cream that it came with was very good too. So, and as always, the atmosphere is very awesome here at you know, California Grill at the Contemporary, as is everything in the Contemporary.
Yeah. I saw the fireworks for the first time, like not like in the park. I didn't see like all the projections, but like I heard the soundtrack and I saw the fireworks with it. And I mean, it's not on Wish's level, but I guess it's all right. And I don't have to do.
I like the fact that it had a Pirates of the Caribbean park.
Yeah,
it seems.
that took away from
so
like World
I like
Color,
that.
Like, the same
but we'll actually see it live and in the park tomorrow. We didn't even watch the whole thing outside tonight because we didn't want it all spoiled by that. So
I liked like the love portion of it, like the love songs.
Cool story, bro. And somewhere on this floor here is also I don't remember which room it is, but I know I've seen a video of it before. Richard Nixon actually gave one of his famous speeches in one of these rooms. It's actually in the Ballroom of the Americas. So one of his famous speeches, I believe it was the one where he said, "I'm not a crook," was actually in there, in the Ballroom of the Americas. So a little piece of history there for the Contemporary. Final day here, and we are here at Magic Kingdom for the day and the evening. Angelina with her rose gold ears there.